a lot bigger in person. Beautiful plane. So here we have an Aeronca Sedan with a Continental 145, and she's going to be replacing the Cub. Much more spacious than the Cub. I was told it's bigger than a 180 on the inside. Back seat comes off for more cargo space if needed. Pretty neat. Both seats are adjustable. 2 doors, which is not common, and this one was converted to a seaplane door. Nice little plane. Apparently the audio cut out of the video, but I'll just do a quick voiceover over the relevant parts. Here I am taxiing onto the runway, getting ready to take off. So just like normal, I line up center field, center runway, apply full takeoff power, put the elevator to neutral, and wait for airspeed to come up. Around 45 miles per hour, I pick up the tail just a tad, and the plane starts to take off around 55, and we're off before the 500-foot mark. So pretty great takeoff performance. The climb out isn't that impressive. It's a 145 horsepower engine, but it is a much larger airplane than the Cub. And here I think is my base turn, base to final in the Sedan into I can't remember the name of the airport right now, but if you can see, I overshot the final turn just because, like I said, I'm not quite used to the Sedan versus the Cub's flying characteristics. And here you see I have a left yoke. It is a slip. They're not quite as aggressive as in the Cub, but slip to get down to ground effect anyway, just the same. Just like before, crosswind direction. It was a pretty gusty day, and we keep the plane off the ground as long as possible. There's full aft elevator, and you'll notice that, oh, there we go, there's the landing. Pretty easy once I got used to it a few times with Jim helping me out. Thanks for watching, everybody. I love this plane. I hope to bring it home soon.